As we grow older, we tend to get tired easily, making it difficult for us to enjoy bedtime activities with our significant others. These are all natural, of course, and nothing to be ashamed of, but there are also ways and fruit to help your sperm production and enjoy your bedtime. It only takes a few ingredients that could already be in your kitchen. Lucky for you, we've got all the answers. Remember, having fun even at an old age is very significant for our physical and mental health. So get ready and listen, because we made a trouble-free recipe for you and your partner to enjoy. So here are some tips and tricks that could benefit you when there is a planned romantic event later in the bedroom. Ingredients needed for this healthy snack. 1. Yogurt. Your choice of the brand can vary. 2. Banana. 3. Kiwi. Number 1. Fruit, bananas and benefits. Bananas help with libido, which improves a person's sex drive. This is to increase and help with your partner's hormones and stress. It makes the activity more appealing, and it also helps you connect better with your loved one or your one-night stands. We don't judge around here. How do bananas help with libidos? Bananas have a special nutrient in them called potassium. Bananas boost your production of testosterone, which improves your libidos and increases your serotonin. Tryptophan can also be found in bananas, and it is a hormone that can help lift the mood and increase people's sex drive. Number 2. Fruit, kiwi in the city. Kiwis are beneficial when it comes to fertility and improving sex drives. If you and your partner have been trying to conceive a baby, kiwis are definitely a way to go. It is proven that kiwis increase the chances of pregnancy due to their vitamin C. Kiwi is also high in zinc, which extremely helps the male's fertility. This is to benefit both parties during the activity, especially if they are trying to start a family. Now that we know the basic knowledge and ingredients for the healthy and scrumptious snack, we can now start making it. Grab your bowls, spoons, materials, and lovely partner, because this is gonna be one heck of a night. Steps to make the recipe. Gather your ingredients: kiwi, banana, yogurt. Wash your fruits thoroughly with clean water. Peel the banana, then cut into multiple pieces, bite size. Peel the kiwi carefully and slice into thin sections, bite size. Put all the fruits into one bowl. Grab your yogurt and pour it into the bowl of your mixed fruits. Gently mix with a spoon or any mixing utensil you can find in the kitchen. Then serve to your partner. If you're looking to spice things up, not just in your love life but also in life, then I've got tons of other recipes like that. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button to keep updated with my next videos. See? You've made yourself a delicacy and a little cheat code for you to last the whole night. This easy recipe can not only be the solution to your activities, but it can also improve your health. It was as easy as making a bowl of cereal, but it helped you in so many different ways. I hope that these tips and tricks got you the night you've always dreamt of.